Namaste. हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. I am Jv'n Dr. Lily Trivedi, and today I am going to take the lecture of BSc Agriculture, second sem, and the topic today is Introduction to Microbial Microbes or Microbial Microbiology. Now, when we are going to study the microbiology, it means we are going to study microbes. Now, in this branch, we study the role of microbes in agriculture, both from both point of view, whether they are harmful or usefulness. Now, many microbes like fungus, bacteria, and virus, what do they cause? They cause plant disease. On the other hand, many fungi, bacteria, and viruses also benefit the plants and human beings. How? Like they cause nitrogen fixing activity, they use the microbes as biofertilizers, and several aspects which we study in this course. Now, the first and the most important is microbe. What are microbes? Now, a microbe or microorganism is a microscopic organism that can either be single celled or multicellular or in the form of relatively complex organisms. Now, the first person to study microorganisms it was Anton von Leeuwenhoek, who is given the credit of discovery of microorganisms in 1675 using a microscope, which he himself designed. So, study of microbes or microorganism is called microbiology. Now, microorganisms are very diverse. They are including bacteria, fungi, algae, protozoa, microscopic plants, and animals. Also, like we have the planaria and others also. Now, viruses are also studied in microbiology. But though viruses are considered as non-living. Now, microorganisms are unicellular, but they can also be multicellular. But the most common and the important thing among them all is they are microscopic. Some unicellular protists are macroscopic also. There are exceptions also. Now, microorganisms live in all parts of the biosphere, like liquid water, soil, hot springs, ocean floor, deep inside the rock, etc. Now, these organisms are vital for the environment and human beings. They also participate in the biogeochemical cycles such as carbon cycle and nitrogen cycle. So, they are microorganisms are very important for recycling also of dead remains and waste products because they play an important role in decomposition. They are also important because they play the role of symbiosis. We have in Pinus, we have as mycorrhiza and we have rhizobium in leguminous plants. So these microorganisms are now exploited by the people for their benefit for in traditional food. We have the curd, we have fermented food and for beverages and also in the modern technology like in the genetic engineering. However, we find that pathogenic microbes are equally harmful and they cause various diseases which can kill the human being, plants, and animals. So that was about microbiology. Agriculture microbiology is the branch of microbiology which deals specific to the plant associated microbes, plants and animal disease. Now it also deals with soil microbiology, that is the microbial degradation, the soil content and soil microorganisms. So students, I hope you have found my lecture interesting. If you have any query, please give in the comment section. I will resolve it soon. This session was powered by digital version 2.0 of Trivedi VIDYAPEETH Women's University. Thank you and namaste.